I say bobo aban na ba so no abba fom e wo fom yi ye the mandate Ghana for the maye no eno na yenim say yeah and we have an accountability to give in 2028 in the same media e bobo aban ya ba so and now say embo aban ya ba so no ye adwuma the good people of Ghana for ehu no mopa aban ye enne uba kuma se mountain so a baby a ubefe bia machines kwan so a eye adwuma ahyan kwanta santase road ubeko machines esi so contractors eye adwuma gidigidi uko mopa adeko sunyanu road enne machines esi so gidigidi uba beko roundabout adeko santase roundabout enne contractors ejina so gidigidi uba seria uba kai seria ye seria hospital edu a certain level and you say governance is continuous nti ye nuanom ebetumi abeto aso ye nuanom ba ye no omomfi seria hospital de hu ne say after say ya to abewie ye hu say MPP lose no last minute na president Akufo-Addo akose okobie seria hospital at the time okobie seria hospital na light crane ekwenye lead to Severe Hospital na yenye enne abampapa John Dramani Mahama obo edwuma enne machines esisu a ye Severe Hospital ye Severe akwan ye wia ye betwa ye bebie hospital na no ama ayaresafo akwaje ayaresa omu bie hospital na no na best ayalefo kra beda so na ebi ni ho ne ebi ni ho John Dramani Mahama say ono on be yes so oh Max John Dramani Mahama say obehwe say Severe Hospital is in operational enye operational te say the ya commission hospital na afi de yentumi access healthcare e wo sa ayersa bi no mabo Dr. Franka Makoyen one of the regional ministers ebo adwuma e wo asantememu enne aban at the contract ama contractors or your regional minister he has a supervisory role to play and then Dr. Franka Makoyen internal office on the nam contractors so she said contractor ye dem no mo be no ma ye ni contractor ono an person so omo ba omo ye hu dede sa omo kan about 4 or 5 interchanges abro omo ba be mu omo ba akokwa ye hu de e wo so ame a omo de eyi ya omo free so no na percentage wise obeka no kra na ndru 10%.
Over 50%
percentage wise 15% 50% in what factors na constitute the 50%? No, I've not invited you to this.
No,
I've not invited you to this.
I'm the former MC.
I've not invited you to this.
No. I've not invited you.
Okay. Me invite you to this.
This cannot pass.
I've not invited you to this. Me time na woje. Onyane time no I know better.
Me ma anye propaganda.
Mesre onyane time.
On the chat time. Ada usu se me expose you ana.
Mesre tro to ho. Wonya wo time na wa yo.
Usu se me expose you ana.
Ube expose me.
Eti kwa nutum na menke.
Okay. One okay
Max manenka sa we
are
mama
time. Na me mfru. Enti Dr. Franka Makoyen brano bia onenam check say dwumedie papa egos. Uka KNUSC Medical Center. And there a buy a yisika and there you say be complete contractors. There was projects be brave. Air course was ukwasa wase. Every corner bia abra ye fra abemu 2016 ye jatu ho and ye jatu ho ya no ma meto aso no and there dwumedie machines e wo kwan so. Machines ewo contractors were so omudi djuma enti aban no ebo adwuma aban no ye adwuma se ne be ya Ghana fo benya abato so mfa so ene bi o mako me national service and the national service aso ye maba so and the national service aso ye
20 minutes
national service aso ye ko nanim e wo kwampa so de enti e ko nanim kwampa so na me no go say by now na so me wo adwura ye no your partners your farm projects na ye no o say na omko so na omko super omko monitor no muhu dwumadi a ekoso no ma atwa mfoni se na be ya rhetoric to say the planting for food and jobs ba ya afide na yehu ni ti hu ne nan no enne bibia ekoso e national last week na national service issues
yes
ampetu mesrem yemu bi mo ye nanf ya fa nanfo anasa enti se issue bi ekoso na munim yemu bia mesre se mo befre na magin tiremu dan se yebema yebeye ne tse court of public opinion ne ye hu dede sa na ye hu ne kure no ankasa national service issues ekoso national service has never signed any agreement with any institution say you be the national service person. That must be established. NASPA.
You can say that's
NASPA
what we said.
Is also an autonomous body. NASPA is an autonomous body per their constitution. NASPA is an autonomous. When they take the decision, so more executives apart from electing, they have a council. Regulated activities of regulated activities of NASPA. And the national service as management has nothing to do with their buy-in.
Who are the signatories to the account?
Their buy-in.
Aren't you answering it? Who are the signatories to the account?
Maybe I won't read the NASPA constitution. Maybe I won't read the NASPA constitution. Maybe I won't read the Maybe I won't read the NASPA constitution. Into cocaine, but who the signatories to NASPA?
Listen, a TF40.
Me say, Ebi cocaine. Someone will be sir. Enti my main fro. Enti ampetum. NASPA issue no, and it has nothing to do with national service. Akwaye te say the because of a dimboni ayenuanom ejato ho abramu wa abemu ente no ama issue.
The signatories to the account, the president of NASPA, the financial secretary of NASPA, and the national service director, or to explain further, the executive coordinating secretary. More hand in it. But who is the
decision? The entire your signatories to NASPA accounts and I say national service and they give birth to NASPA. And the national service they give birth to NASPA. When it comes to music assem approval of Bibiana,
Munim Sikasem
music assem Bibia Yebia. And the sir Bamukosia, NASPA executives, Ecosia, and the council Nhyira. No, must say when they are passing at the boy your members. Let's say who say legitimate. Why not so?
So it means you endorsed it.
So
Mahama who say legitimate.
The legitimate aspect and say almost say unemployment ekosoro. And the unemployment ekosoro there. NASPA Emma members in Tetia send a bay of suku skill training. Send a bay of sukua. Oh, Max.
So is it fair?
So this is not the decision by national service.
No, almost
almost say almost person yes skill training. Omane ejumaku obi asia omo skill training ama omo nkofo. Na skill training no every service person bia as so to 150 pesos. Every person bia sika also tia no. So it has been agreed at the council level. It's been agreed by the NASPA executives. Yansuye boase unemployment ebeba form. Enti issue no very legitimate. Me say also making mockery.
And they say so why are you worried?
The national service has nothing to do with
you have something to do with it.
The deduction equals buy. No, Yanko.
Because we are the
mene wo hu yi
Bedroom send the time also.
So yeah.
am pretu mene yeti he mesre se eba ne mra enye emotions
Okay.
ene de yemra
No.
emra enye perceptions ene de yemra ene enye de me feel say ana medwen say emrate ana medwen say ne esese ye ene esese ye se ne ma me to kunu kan o say the law
Is the law.
the law is the law inti esese ye fa mra kwan so na ebie bibia in any case said the name our legal right is obeko for appeal and also legal right.
Oh, legal right.
He has a legal right. Are you the one to determine who?
That was 30 provision, say, or 3 months.
A constitution where they did more Ghana. This is the constitution. Where in this constitution, and the Rebecca said, your time limited there.
Manufactured appeal.
Where in the constitution in the unkind tray, baby, the Rebecca say, only right.
I response now or cite say she had a certain limit of time to appeal after the judgment.
No, yababa so.
Okay.
Entino, emo bia me Abraham take judgment no. No me free one of your sister, no me one of your sister stations. So journalists and enkofo emeki say as if John Mahama, NDC. The question, as a misane say, Ghana your separation of powers.
Sir.
The 3 arms of government. The 3 arms of government. Obia independent. Obia de no. The judiciary, the legislature, the executive, even in parliament.
Judiciary didn't want
Even in parliament. NDC, your majority, more than 2/3 of members of parliament. I bet me, John Dramani Mahama, and to me, say parliament, say na munye. Parliament, and so they don't want, I say so, Yenejuma. And a better day, and will be out of emotions, out of the speculations, the perception. Obaka say, Omampeni ese said the name Jumedina. Meaning, so Omo Casa there. Now just say, Oma Bresono, no more influence the judiciary. If that is the case, if the Omo Kano, and Predia, now just Oma Bresono, no more influence, Omuna Netre, Omuna Netre judiciary. Omuna Netre the judiciary, and yet, Italian one class of Mokawi. But I can tell them, say, NDC, led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, will not interfere in any of the executive arm of the body, just because executive the judicial arm of government. Now, the 3-member panel, almost say. Yen kan basis in tia omugina so a omo say omo akwinte ana omo discharge yema metabako. That is the basis we should be looking at. Basis in us ye fa na fa no bako na be say is it legitimate, is it legal? I don't know what say ye. But say wa be free wupem na out of your whims and caprices. Now, what I say, there be, which is say in Kenya, which is say in Kenya, no, it's not law. It's not law. Judges in say, basis are, on the convicted, said nominal. Basis on the convicted, said nam, or multiple legal, said nam, or multiple legal and evidential shortcomings. Now they say, atentene anye den anye adwuma.
They are talking about technicalities.
I say atentene anye adwuma. Omo charge said on causing financial loss to the state. What charge you be in the criminal proceedings? So what charge you be? The burden lies on the prosecution to prove an evidence.
But there are times the burden shifts. There are times the burden will shift.
Mia ya bomb in Tansa, to some mass were 2 to some mass were 2 na ma born in Tansa, na me expect to say Maxwell and Kessa ebe leading evidence at the Abba. The prosecution has the burden to prove. Even before America be the prosecution, should investigate and know said they make an import a crime na say nyanokre. They make an a crime na say nyanokre. Rather no yes see abonten na the enemy na ya to boba park so. Yes, Attorney General so obeko for review over Supreme Court. That is within his mandate.
Which you disagree.
That is within his mandate.
Which you disagree.
That is within his, whether I disagree or not, it is within his mandate to go. Whether I disagree or not, a legal right, the attorney,
he has the powers to do so.
He has the powers to do so. So, before you buy Mtiaka Bibino, the messenger say, Yenyabotre, now Attorney General, proceeded to the review of person oye. Na yɛhwɛ the Supreme Court nso de bɛyɛ den ɛde bɛba. Dan sɛ yɛbɛfa nsɛm no srɛ ne abasa. Na yɛde akɔ Court of Public Opinion. Na obiara ka n'adwen, obiara making an informed decision. No. Ɛyɛ mmara na edi adwuma. Rule of law must work. And rule of law ne nkyɛn sɛ the wufi sɛ ana we emotions na ɔsɛ yɛde kasa wɔ maa yi mu. Nti mɛsrɛ Maxwell ɛne ne nkɔɔfoɔ sɛ. So my brother so no more interfere in the judicial. The NDC led by John Dramani Mahama. The NDC led by John Dramani Mahama. No Attorney General, no prosecutor on those cases no can. Is it not within his legal mandate?
Okay, it's within.
It is not within his legal mandate.
It is.
And they are the two to me as a me say to me the lawyers is on the court for appeal. That is his constitutional right. That is his constitutional right. Omoko appeal. No court of appeal say, "Ntansa ya de bo chama to me no." Enye no no. Who hold your budget court's decision at the atom. And the moment preempt say because no. How do you compare chama to Miss case and Ferdinand's case? How do you compare Tamahun to Miss case to Ferdinand's case? It is two different things altogether. It is two different things altogether.
Okay.
And we should not predict, we should not preempt what the court has not decided.
All right. Fain made us but my main come for a Mountain and Castle Community Bank Limited and Farm Mouse